Step 2 is to zigzag around your body pieces. So you're going to take your 2 huge pieces that you picked or that you cut. You're going to separate them. You're going to do one at a time. You're going to run a zigzag stitch along the edges, okay, from here until your tracing mark line, and then start again down here on your tracing mark line all the way to the edge. Do not zigzag your corners. You're going to stitch down at the bottom, stop here, and then you're going to start here. You're going to stitch up to your tracing line. You're going to stop here, and then you're going to start here and end over here. Okay? You're going to get your machine set up, plugged in. Remember, zigzag is in the middle of your presser foot. So, half on your fabric, half off your fabric. You want to make sure that the fabric is, far enough back to the edge of your stitch plate so that you know. Okay, make sure you change your stitch settings on your machine. All you do is hit the up down button for the plus minus sign if you've gone too far. On the new machines, we're going to do a 7, and I think it's also a 7 on the other machines as well. Okay, so that's just my space before the tracing line. So I'm going to lift it up. And I'm going to start below the tracing line mark. Start below. Okay. If you find that you don't like stitch 7, you can do 6. And you're going to go all the way down to the edge. So you're going to, once you get both sides done, this is what it's going to look like. And I'll show you up close. You do the top part, skip over where you trace the lines, all the way through the bottom. Use the back stitch down here. You do the bottom part, back stitch on both ends. You don't do the corners. And then you're going to stitch through here. And you do this the same thing for both sides. And make sure you get this checked before you move on to the next step.